Maniwala kayo o hindi, walang biro. Kahit walang camera, ganito kami tuwing break time niya. Kasi ako yung battery niya. Sa akin siya kumukuha ng energy. Ganon! Puro post ang aking mister. Akala niya picture.
Yeah. So it's posted. All right, I didn't. Okay, I'm sorry. I thought you said picture. Yeah.
I said,
Showing me on the book. The nerd is not always the saver of the family. In my house, for example, I'm the nerd and Sharon is the free spirit, but I'm also the spender and she's the saver. So let's see. Agreement on money is a key factor in a healthy marriage. Opposites attract. Men and women are different. Every
marriage.
has a nerd, a free spirit, a spender, and a saver.
That's true, right.
Yeah, that's true. Which one are you?
I'm the saver.
Oh, you think so?
Yeah, because you're always the one who is spending money.
If you say so.
Yeah. O, di ba? Nagkakaroon lang ako ng katsikaan kapag break time niya. Tapos, puro lambingan. At minamarites ko sa kanya yung mga na-observe ko dito sa pananatili sa cafe. Grabe titig naman yan. In love na in love eh. Salamat po sa panonood.